Last time we talked about the user function in PowerFX and how we can use that to get the current logged in user's full name, email address, and profile picture. But what if you want to return more information about the logged in user? We can use the Office 365 Users Connector. To get started, click on the Data tab in your Power App, select Add Data, and search for Office 365 users. In our formula bar, if we start typing Office 365 users, you'll see all the actions we can take with the connector. And the one I want to point out in this video is the My Profile V2. So we're going to use our IntelliSense, we're going to select My Profile V2, and you see it's wanting us to fill in some additional information with a select statement. And this is where we can tell it what properties about the user that we want to return. If we want to return everything, all we need to do is do two empty quotes here and close that out. Now if we do a dot after this is going to show all the additional properties that we can return about the logged in user. So to get any of these properties, for example, maybe I want the job title. I'm just going to do a dot and select the job title, and you see that it's populating here with my job title of Power Platform Lead.